Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I fixed my broken lock today, but before I finish my makeup, look at this big stupid pimple on my face. That's a period pimple. This lock is literally hanging on by a thread, literally. And the reason that is because sometimes I'll be messing with my locks, like when I see like lint and stuff on there, and I'll pick it. Like I'll open up the lock, pick it out, and then usually I close it back after I clean it out with a crochet tool. Emma, where's my crochet tool? So it's very simple. This is a 0.5 millimeter crochet needle. I got this from Amazon in a set of 3. It comes with 1 prong and then 2 prongs and then 3 prongs. I usually do the 2 prongs if I'm working with a bigger lock, but this is such a tiny lock, I'm just gonna use this. So all I'm gonna do is like put it up together like this and then just crochet it. And all I'm doing is just moving it up and down. See, you just wanna keep doing that, otherwise it'll come out like it's not stable at all. It's barely stable. I'm still trying to put it together. Really just feeling my way around, and I'm turning the lock as I'm doing it, like turning it. It looks like it's together, but I can feel it. It's not 100% there. I have to do this probably for another 2 minutes to really get it tight, and just keep turning it. Like as you pull the needle in and out, like I'm just going in and out, you're gonna turn this hair. When you come out, turn it. So then you can crochet the other side, almost like a 360. And then I turn it. I want it to be tight, like, and not noticeable. See? And I have a bunch of little locks that are like this. They're kind of loose at the end because I cut them. If, you know, I'm either cut the color or I just cut it to trim it. Or again, if I see buildup, I'll cut them. So I have a lot of locks that are loose in the ends, which I can crochet as well, but I don't give a crap enough to do it. Sometimes, like, if I see it bothering me, then I'll just, like this one, I'll just crochet this. Just roll it up and then just pull it in, pull the needle in. It's very easy. Don't mind my ashy hands. See? So this tool, this will save your life. When you have breaking locks or damaging locks, technically you could cut off all your locks. Let's say if you had like a lot of buildup, you could cut all your locks off, wash them out, clean them out, and then just attach them back to your head with this tool. The guy that I first saw with this tool is Chris McDread. He is amazing. Like, he'll start your whole head off from natural loose hair and have your dreads looking like they've been in your head for like 15 years. And he has a course and everything. I was gonna get his course, but I was like, I'd rather just like mess around with it. I don't really need to know the perfect technique just to do what I'm doing for myself. Anyway, I'm distracted. Let me finish the one I was doing. Which one was it? Is it this one? Yeah, it's it. See, I can't even tell if it's this one. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna hit it a couple more times. Buildup is a mother, man. Like, I hate dealing with buildup in locks. All because I didn't follow my own advice and I decided to just not sleep with a satin scarf on for the majority of the time that I had locks. I was good in the first 2 years, but afterwards I didn't care. I'd be sleeping on my white sheets with my hair all out, and I have like so much buildup. Well, not so much, but enough to where it bothers me and I have to pick at it to get it out. See, I'm just turning as I'm going. Turning the lock around as I'm going. You can't see what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is going in and out the lock. And I'm holding it tight like this, because otherwise, you know, it's not gonna do anything if you just do it like that. You gotta hold it. So this one is pretty much good, I think. Feel it. It feels a little soft in the middle here, so I keep hitting it a couple more times. But that's it, guys. That's how you fix your little locks. Let me try to finish this makeup. I am not one for makeup tutorial because I don't really be beating my face like that. I like to look natural even when I'm wearing makeup. Like a natural beat. Emma, why are you waving at my YouTube? What color should I wear, Emmy? Should I wear this Wet n Wild, this pretty pink? I think this is
Queen Fuchsia?
Fuchsia with blue pearl. Wet n Wild. Or should I wear this one, this pretty coral? And this one's called Sunset Peach. I think I want to wear Sunset Peach today.
I think you should go Sunset Peach.
Mm-hmm.
Cause that will look pretty on your lips. Wow. On my lips. Mommy, I wish I could have some of that.
No, not like. Just pucker it like this. Yeah, like that. Open your mouth a little bit. And that's how I do my makeup and fix my locks. All right, guys. Bye.
Bye.